Hello everyone. As you know, if you know me for such a long time, you will know also that I like to knit, and this is my biggest hobby. So I have made a couple of jumpers. This is one of them. My mom was wearing this jumper the other day and she received so many compliments. It's made of wool, it's cozy, it's warm, it's beautiful with colors, a lot of colors, with dots here. And the same jumper I've made, but just with different gamma of colors. Have a look. And my mom wore this one the other day, and she also received a lot of compliments. Which one you like, Mom?
Yeah. Both.
Both.
Oh, yeah.
I love them both. I want to make another color, maybe in brown colors. Something like this, but in brown colors. It's wonderful, it's cozy, it's pretty, it's stunning, it's tactile. I just love it. And now I'm working on a new jumper. I'm going to show you in my next video how I actually knit a little bit of this jumper, and I hope you love it. Which one you like? Don't forget to write in the comments which one you prefer. This one or this one? This one or this one? Mama, don't forget to film me. It's quite heavy as well. There's a lot of wool in here. Thank you very much for watching and subscribing, and please watch me knit. It's not boring, it's fun. It's fun for me and fun for you to watch me knit, or just having fun in front of a camera. So please enjoy. Bye.